School piano. We're working on Silent Night. This is from the first book of Christmas songs. We're on to this part over here, which is the Sleep in Heavenly Sleep. Oh, excuse me, Sleep in Heavenly Peace. Here is what it looks like. Come on down here. It's let me show you the left hand first. The first chord is Sleep in Heavenly, which is a G chord, G, B, D. Then it goes to an inverted C chord, which all means you take these two notes and you're going to raise them to here, to the C and the E. So you go Sleep in Heavenly Peace. All right, and then from there you're going to go down to another C chord. You're going to take this E and we're going to use that one instead. So it's going to look like this. So it's the same chord, G, C, E, but I'm moving the E to the bottom. I'm taking that off and I'm moving my hands to play E, G, C. So again, sleep in heavenly